Right now we are at the Disneyland Hotel in Anaheim, California, and we're going to be checking out the DVC Deluxe Studio. This room could either be Tiana themed or Sleeping Beauty themed, so let's go check it out and see which one we got. And here we go. So starting off right here is the bathroom. So if you come in here, obviously, the first thing you see is a little bit of green, because it's Tiana themed, obviously. So right here we have hand soap and body lotion, along with a nice little note from our housekeeping, which is very sweet. You have a nice sink, makeup mirror right here, towel holder. You have a mirror, kind of like two, but with lights. These lights are lily pads and looks like lotuses. Fits the Tiana theme very well. Right here, down here, you have a vanity kit along with a hairdryer. And there's also some washcloths and extra toilet paper down here. And right here, you have your shower slash bathtub. You can see there's body wash, conditioner, shampoo, and a nice green mosaic tile. And it's really not, it's a little small, but it's not that bad. It has enough room for you to shower and get out. And of course you have room for your own stuff right here. So a little cubby if you bring your own stuff you like to use. Got a cubby for that, plus a towel. And then going in here, the throne room, obviously. See right here, you have a nice little picture of Mama Odie's cabin, along with a nice green accent wall for Tiana, and more extra towels. And the nice thing about this is it has a sliding door to cut off from the rest of the bathroom. And another thing with the bathroom, there's a sliding door to cut off with the rest of everything else. All right, and if we look right here, there's a nice wall right here with just green and lily pads and lotuses and flowers, all very fitting for the Tiana theme. And right here, you just have another nice mirror, another vanity mirror. So if we go right here as well, you can see this is where our thermostat, trash cans, and there are two plugs right there. And now we're going right into the living room, kitchen, and bed area. So right here we have our kitchenette. We have our two cabinets right here. So this cabinet has utensils and a can opener, along with some glasses that come with some coasters, teacups, plates, bowls, and an empty shelf up there for storage. And then in this cabinet, you have another shelf for storage, your toaster, and your icebox. Also in this kitchenette, you have a microwave, a Keurig with different little Keurig cups. Right now they have the 70th ones. And then you also, these little things are a condiment kit, which has your sugars, your creamers, and your stir sticks for your coffee. And then right here is your sink. And right under your sink, you have your paper towel and your dish cleaning materials, and a lot more storage. There's a big storage space under there as well. Then right here, you have your mini fridge, which is a pretty standard mini fridge, which also has a freezer, which has an ice tray in there for ice cubes for your park days. And then going right here, you have two big cabinets right here. This first cabinet right here has your robes in it, which are Disneyland Hotel robes. And in the back of this closet, along with all your hangers, you can see a replica of Tiana's work outfit hanging in the back along with your items. And then in the second cabinet right here, there's more of your basic necessities. You have your safe, ironing board, basket, steam iron, and your extra pillow and blanket, along with a lot more storage. Going right here, you have your couch and a little table, which of course opens up to have lots and lots of storage inside. And then of course, because this is a deluxe studio, this has a Murphy bed. Move the table out of the way. Take the pillows and pull down the Murphy bed. As you can see, you got your Murphy bed. You have little Tiana sleeping in her room. It's very cute. And on this side of the Murphy bed, you actually have some plugins. You have 2 plugs and then 2 USBs. No, it's USB-C here, but it's very good. And then, of course, your Murphy bed goes right back up into your couch. So we'll push, and then there you go. And of course, you tuck the blankets in, but it's okay for now. There we go. Got your pillows, and then your table, which this one moves very easily. It glides around very easily right back to where you want it. And on this side over here, of course, you have your nice TV, and then you have your storage drawers, which 6 drawers, pretty spacious, good for storing all your stuff. And of course, this wall is a beautiful tile wall with different things representing Tiana, like Evangeline, her crown, and a couple other things. And then right here you have 2 plugs, a USB and a USB-C. And then right under this counter area, you have 2 little purple chairs that pull out so you can sit here, which is very nice because you don't see a lot of Disney rooms do that. We have these nice little chairs to sit at this little countertop. And then right here, a couple of Disneyland little things. You have a Disneyland Hotel pen and paper, Disneyland phone, and of course a booklet that talks about conveniences, experiences. There's dining options in here, lots of good things in this book. And if we turn to right here, we have the bed with, of course, our beautiful Tiana light right here. It is gorgeous. I mean, I can't even prove. This is what it looks like. So that's it on, right? It's gorgeous. That's what it looks like off. And then you turn it back on. It's like magic. It lights up beautifully. And then right here, you have a light, your remote, this little cubby right here. Now, from my understanding, these drawers don't open, but it could also just be me not being strong enough. But it's the same on both sides. You have a plug, a USB, and a USB-C. And now, obviously, we got to do the bed test. No, that is soft. Very soft bed, very squishy. I think, and the pillows are as well. And then also with this bed, you have this very nice little themed rug with some nice colors from, I mean, you'd see in the Tiana movie. And you also have under the bed storage. There is like a wooden part in the middle, but you do have a good amount of storage down there. Suitcases, bags, whatever. Coming back to this corner, you have one more storage space right there, 2 shelves, nice little cabinet, opens up. And then right here, you have your bench, with just 3, with some pictures from the Tiana universe. Now, unlike most Disney World studios, Disneyland doesn't have a balcony, but because this is a preferred view room, there is a really good view of the amazing Disneyland Hotel monorail water slide and just the Disneyland Hotel and all. And that has been the Disneyland Hotel DVC Deluxe Studio, and it is absolutely amazing, along with a squishy bed.